Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post yoga videos every day. This will be a lower body stretch, just about 10 minutes to focus on your hamstrings and your hips. Begin in a child's pose. Big toes together, knees are apart. Walk your hands forward and arrive in the present moment. Bring your awareness to the breath. Smooth out each inhale. Complete each exhale through the nose as best as you can. Press into your hands, bring yourself to a tabletop. Tuck your toes, and we're going to draw circles with the hips to the right, left, back, and around, going almost all the way to upward facing dog, almost back to a child's pose. Let's go both directions. Feeling this in the feet, the weight redistributing in the hands. Come back to a tabletop. Tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Pedal through the feet, bending one knee at a time. Let's lift up onto the toes and place the nail bed side of one foot down, stretching into the ankle and the feet. Switch sides. Downward facing dog. Step the right foot between the hands and lower the left knee. Untuck the toes. Keep the right knee over the ankle, shoulders down away from the ears. You are on fingertips or blocks maybe. For a little bit extra, lower the chin and draw up in the core. Lift your head up, lean on the left hand, right hand on top of the right knee. Press for middle upper back twist. Hands frame the right foot. Press all the way back to a half split. So you can sit on a block, your heel, or inside of the left foot. Let's relax over the right leg. Nothing too intense. Your knee can be soft. If you can reach it, you can rub your foot. Press back up. Shift your weight forward to your kneeling lunge. Back to a tabletop, tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Scan your body right to left. And step the left foot between your hands for a kneeling lunge. Untuck the back toes, fingertips, and shoulders away from the ears. We're feeling the right hip flexor. If you did so on the other side, lower the chin and scoop the tailbone forward for that extra push. Lean onto the right hand, lift your head. We're going to place the left hand on top of the left knee and push to twist your middle upper back. And release. We're going back to that half split. So walk all the way back and forward with your torso over the left leg. lift up, back into your kneeling lunge, to tabletop, to downward facing dog. Stretch out the legs, really press and open up. Lower your knees to the mat and face the long edge of your mat. Left foot in, right foot out. Sit up tall. Sit evenly on both sit bones. Left arm up and over to the right, side body stretch. Can anyone figure out yoga hair? I can't. One more reach. And sit up. Let's bring the right foot in, left leg out. And up and over. I guess a bun on the top of your head works unless you do headstands, but everywhere you put your hair, you're either leaning on it or it's in the way. Problems that aren't really problems. Let's sit back up. Bring your left foot in and sit up tall. Roll your shoulders back and down. Find some movement with the head and the neck. And then let's bring the soles. We're going to sit up tall. Make sure, let's see, my right foot is closer to me than the left shin. Right? So left foot is in front. We're going to walk forward over your legs. Keep the sit bones down. Walk your hands back in. Let's twist to the left. Right hand to the left knee, sit up tall. Come back to center. Switch out the cross of your legs. Reestablish, and then just walk forward over your legs. You might not go very far because the goal is to keep the sit bones down. And walk the hands back in, twist to the right. Back to center. Let's reach the left arm up and over, side body stretch, keep the sit bones down. Sit up. Rotate toward the right leg and reach over and across, bringing the nose to the knee or beyond. You'll feel this down the left side of your back. One more reach to the side. And sit up. Let's switch the cross of the legs one more time. Right arm up and over. Keep the right sit bone down especially. And lift up, rotate toward the left leg, and we're going to go across, nose to or beyond the knee. And sit up tall. Try to level your chin with the floor, so you probably have to lower it just a little bit to lengthen the crown of the head up. Just breathe, relax your expression. We'll close with a breath. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. A little more at the very top. Exhale, hands lower down to heart center or by your sides. I have so much gratitude for your presence. Think about something you are grateful for. Thank you for joining me. Let me know what you think with a like and a comment. I will see you in my next video. Namaste.